Hi, Amy. My name is Maria Lees, as I said in my email, and I am a copywriter and email strategist for women building businesses in the health and wellness industry. And I am from Cincinnati, like you, and I actually stumbled across you and your business through word of mouth. You come highly recommended in this city. And so I checked out your website and your business, and I gotta say, I'm honestly very impressed. I love your holistic approach to caring for the whole person. I think it's amazing. And I really think it's incredible how you house so many different specialties under one roof. You really are making um, taking care of yourself, taking care of, well, ourselves, so much more convenient by being kind of like a one-stop shop for so many different health needs, especially for women, which is, I just think, so needed. Anyways, I took a look at some of what you're doing for marketing and checked out your social media pages, your Facebook and your Instagram, and you're doing honestly very well with your Facebook, with your Instagram. You're doing all the right things. You're posting photos of what you're doing in the op-eds. You're giving articles of informative things in the medical world. You are having giveaways and raffles and really engaging the people that are on your pages in that way, which is incredible. But did you know that email marketing is 40 times more effective than social media marketing? 40 times more effective. That is honestly a staggering statistic. And in my opinion, every business that wants to grow, that wants to add clients, that wants to reach further should be utilizing email marketing as part of their marketing strategy. It is that powerful and that impactful. Now, I saw that you have an email newsletter, which is awesome. That's a great first step. But what I wanted to propose to you today as a way to kind of up your email marketing game and really use that tool to the highest extent that you can is to add a welcome sequence to your email, which essentially is a series of emails that someone would receive when they sign up for your email list, whether it's through that little newsletter sign up bar that you have on your website, or maybe you have some sort of opt-in to your email list option that you've posted on Facebook or on your Instagram. However they get onto your email list, it would begin this automatic series of emails for them that essentially welcome them, that introduce who you are, and really establish yourself as a voice in the health and wellness industry, and kind of begin creating that relationship between you and this person before they've even stepped in the door, before they've even given you a phone call. So what this could look like, just to kind of practically break it down for you, as soon as they sign up for that list, they would immediately receive a welcome email that just kind of is a general, you introducing yourself, introducing your business, a little overview of what you do, and just a thank you for signing up for the email list, thanking them for going to you for content, acknowledging the fact that they did that. They didn't have to sign up for your email list. They didn't have to open their inbox to a series of emails from you, but they did, and that deserves some recognition. And maybe a couple days later, we'd send a second follow-up email, and then this one, it could be some testimonials from people that have come to you for services, some kind of evidence of the work that you're doing and what other people are saying about it. And then we might send a third email a few days later that has, information about something going on in the medical world. Maybe you've got a blog post that you want to share with them, or just something informative that's giving them value at no cost. You're not asking them for anything. You're not trying to sell them anything. You are purely just giving them information for their own good, for their own benefits. We want to have a couple emails like that are really just, here you go. I want to help you because I care about you. And then finally, after you've had maybe 5, 6 emails that are of that nature, just welcoming them, thanking them, giving them value just because you care, then you can introduce kind of a pitch for whatever service or product that you are wanting them to maybe take a look at. Maybe it's for a consultation with you and your specialist for weight loss, or maybe it's for the O shot that you advertise, that you offer. Whatever you want it to be, it doesn't matter. But the point is, after You've taken the time to establish yourself as a trusted person, that you've built that relationship and shown through a series of emails that you're invested in them, that you're invested in their health, and that you care about them whether or not they come to you, because we've just offered all this good content for no cost, no sale. Then you can say, hey, I have this really awesome thing like the O shot. Come and check it out. Come and see me. And I think you'll find that when you set up a good welcome sequence like that and you take the time to build that relationship through email, you're going to end up with even more people actually coming to you and to your office for their care. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would love to chat with you more about building a welcome sequence and a couple other ideas that I have for you for really boosting your email marketing. Talk to you soon.